Telegram background download easy steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can do a background download on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to conduct a background download on Telegram, you open up the Telegram application here. Then once you have done that, you tap the three lines option from here and then you just go to settings. If you'd like to have something enabled always in the background and then download automatically, you have to go to this option here known as data and storage. Under data and storage you can see all of these options. So here you can see private chats, you can enable these as well to download them automatically. So you can see they will be saved to gallery whether they're from groups or channels or private chats. Now I personally don't like it, so I leave them off. The other is automatic media download. You want to make sure to have all of these three enabled, and once you have made sure that all of these three are enabled, you will be able to enable background download on Telegram successfully. That's all it takes to enable backgrounds on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.